If you've ever had trouble sharing or playing video files because they weren't in the right format, this guide is for you. Today, you'll learn how to easily convert any video into MP4 using Handbrake, one of the most reliable and free video tools available. Let's get started. First, make sure you have Handbrake installed on your computer. If you don't, visit the official Handbrake website and download the version that matches your operating system. Installation is quick. Just follow the setup steps until the program is ready to use. Once it's installed, open Handbrake and you'll see a clean, simple interface designed to make video conversion effortless. Now it's time to import your video. Click the open source button at the top left and then choose File to browse your computer for the video you want to convert. Once selected, Handbrake will automatically load it into the interface and analyze it. You can also drag and drop your video directly into the window for even faster access. Next, let's configure the conversion settings to ensure you get the best quality possible. Go to the Summary tab and make sure your format is set to MP4. This is one of the most universal formats. It works seamlessly across phones, computers, TVS, and social media platforms. Then, move over to the Video tab. Here, set your video codec to H.264x264. This codec is widely supported and offers excellent quality at a reasonable file size. It's the ideal choice for general use and online sharing. Now, take a look at the frame rate FPS options. You can choose same as source to keep the original smoothness of your video, or select a specific frame rate if needed, like 24 or 30 FPS, depending on your project. For most users, same as source is perfectly fine. Below that, you'll see a bitrate or constant quality setting. Bitrate controls how much data is used per second of video. Higher numbers mean higher quality, but also larger file sizes. A good balance for most videos is between 5,000 and 10,000 kilobits per second. If you're not sure, leave it at the default constant quality level. Handbrake automatically optimizes it for great results. You'll also see a setting for frame rate type. Choose constant frame rate if you plan to upload your video online or share it across devices. This ensures smooth playback and compatibility. Once all your settings are in place, it's time to choose where your converted video will be saved. Click Browse, select your output folder, and give your file a name that you'll easily recognize later. Keeping your files organized is always a good habit, especially if you work on multiple projects. Now, everything is ready. Simply click Start Encode at the top of the window. Handbrake will begin converting your video into MP4. The process time depends on your computer speed and video length, but it's usually quite fast. When it's done, you'll find your new MP4 file in the folder you selected, ready to play, share, or upload anywhere you want. And that's it. You've just learned how to convert any video into MP4 using Handbrake. It's simple, reliable, and ensures your videos stay high quality while remaining compatible with nearly every platform. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, try using these same settings for your future projects to keep all your videos perfectly optimized and easy to share.